Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When should you not use a convection oven? When you shouldn't use convection because the fan blows air around the inside of the oven, moist foods prone to shifting or splattering, like quick breads, custards, and other baked goods, can come out dry and unevenly baked. Sometimes cookies or cakes will show a sand drift pattern from the moving air. Do you preheat a convection oven? Do I need to preheat my convection oven? Yes, all convection ovens need to be preheated. In some modes, more than one element is used during preheat, which can cause the food to burn. You should always start with a hot oven or a hot pan. Is convection bake faster than regular bake? Convection ovens are hotter and cook faster than conventional ovens. They also cook more evenly thanks to some simple additions to the appliance. All of this adds up to yummier baked goods, meats and more. What foods are best cooked in a convection oven? Convection is good for roasting ham, turkey, roast-ready beef cuts, and similar meats. Roasting vegetables and potatoes for an extra crisp. Cookies and muffins, especially when you have a big batch to bake at once. Pies and pastry. Casseroles, when covered they won't lose much moisture. Toasting breads or buns. Can I bake a cake in convection oven? The simple answer, yes, you can bake a cake in a convection oven. But it is far trickier than baking in a conventional oven. This is mostly because cake batters are light, and the circulation of hot air can flatten air bubbles and create a short, flat, and dense result. Can you cook pizza in a convection oven? If you don't have a dedicated pizza oven, and honestly who does, then you might be wondering if you can cook a good pizza in a convection oven. Yes, you can cook a pizza in a convection oven, and it's not as hard as you might think.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.